questions I get from students when preparing for their trip is about packing. What should I bring? Should I bring pillows? Should I bring towels? And in this video, I'll try to create a list of the most important items that you should bring with you. First of all, you will need a hand luggage and your main suitcase. In the hand luggage, you will need to put all the items that need to be with you at all times. So, your passport, your flight information and visa documents, your wallet, some euros in cash that you may need on the first day, your phone with the charger, a change of clothes for emergency and in case your luggage get lost, some toiletries in a plastic bag, and every container should not be over 3.4 ounces, any medication you may need, Sant'Anna emergency contact information, a book to read on the plane, and your laptop with the charger, and an adapter. In your main suitcase, you will need to put first of all your clothes. If you're coming for a semester, be prepared to bring clothes for different weathers, so jeans and trousers, jumpers and sweaters, but also summer clothes, so flip-flops, your swimming suit, and t-shirts. Don't forget to also bring a pajama, hat and scarf, and also a long winter coat, since it may be cold in December and in January. We'll also need to put underwear, boots or anyway warm shoes, but as well as comfortable shoes for walking and hiking. And finally, toiletries that may last for about a week. Once you're done with clothes and these important items, you can then put in luggage all the personal items that you want to absolutely bring with you. For example, pictures, bags, or your dog. Oh no, your dog no. Don't forget to lock your suitcase and attach a name tag with your name, address, and contact information. You will not need to bring pillows, bed sheetings, or towels with you, since Sant'Anna will provide for those. Good, now you're ready to go. Last but not least, don't forget to bring an open mind and safe travels.